Hi everyone, this is Alice. Um, I received my box from Wine Ambassador, and I would like to open with you. I was a state member, and now I upgraded to how do you say it, reserve, and I'm very excited to see what is in there. So this is the color. Um, this is the box. It is ice packed, and it's very important to know that the wines, they come in a temperature controlled truck, so they won't spoil. So I will open it, and then let's do it this way. Okay, so it comes with this thing here. Usually it comes, it's 4 bottles, but just because I've upgraded to a reserve, so I am receiving 12 bottles of wine. So I received 6 bottles of More Than Muse. It is a beautiful label. It's a 2019 rosé, and it's only through Wine Ambassador that you can have this wine. It's a beautiful color. I like pink, and it's a beautiful color. And everybody's saying that the other members, they are saying that it's very, very delicious and as a cocktail. So I have 6 of these, and Freedom. I didn't taste this, neither of them yet, but I also heard that this is a very good Chardonnay. It's from California 2018, and this also is only through Wine Ambassador. And that they come with this foam bricks to keep it cool um, during their traveling to do their shipment. So um, this is it, and okay, so thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope you all have a blessed day with many beautiful things happening. Thank you.